Hey, what's up you guys? So I'm so excited today. I'm gonna be dyeing my horse boots. Sorry, I think I'm coming down with a cold, so that's why my voice sounds like crap. Like, this is the first time I've ever done this. Like, I have never even done like a practice run or anything. I tried looking up like videos or anything of it, and I couldn't find hardly anything. Like, the only thing I could find was like videos of like dyeing like regular stuff, not horse boots. So I'm kind of just doing this based on like what the packaging says on the dye. So let's just learn together and we're gonna do this. So first it says to put 3 gallons of hot water into a bucket or like a steel container, but I didn't have like steel containers that were big enough for 3 gallons of water. So I used just my like horse buckets, and these ones are old, so if I have to throw them away, that's totally fine. So I just use like an old milk gallon carton thing to measure out 3 gallons of very hot water. And then it says to add your dye to the water and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then add 1 cup of salt if you're using cotton, which the boots are, and these are brand new white horse boots, and I just kind of like rolled the Velcro underneath itself to kind of like help it get underneath the Velcro a little bit better. And the only thing I don't have is gloves, but I didn't realize that until I was like already home and like prepping all this, and I'm like, you know, I'm not gonna run to town just to get gloves to do this because I'm way too excited to do it, and I want to do it like right this minute instead of waiting longer to do it. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. So hopefully this turns out. So I also have like a measuring cup and a spoon, and it said that you can test out the color to see if you like it on just like some paper towels, so I brought some paper towels too to do it. I'm trying to decide too if I should do like the blue, like teal, whatever color on top, and the pink on the bottom, or if I should do pink on top and the blue on the bottom, which I'm kind of liking that idea a little bit better. So before my water completely like cools down, I'm gonna add the dye to the colors, which I'm gonna do the pink in the pink bucket and the teal in the purple bucket, just because I didn't have a teal bucket to do it in that I wanted to waste. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good stir. Oh, also the reason why I kind of look like a homeless child right now is because I am kind of a messy person, and I figured I would probably get it in my hair, so that's why my hair is tied up. And I'm also in my sweatpants, and because I figured I was probably gonna get it all over myself, and I don't really care about this sweatshirt. It's a really old sweatshirt. So that's why I don't look so super cute and fabulous right now. But I did do my makeup for you guys so you guys didn't run away screaming. So I'm just gonna keep stirring this. It says to stir it for like 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna, you know, kind of sit here and stir it for a little while. I actually might find another spoon so I can do the blue too, and maybe I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's like dropping into the bucket because it's kind of cool. So hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna drop the blue in. Look how dark it looks. Oh my god. I'm gonna give it a good stir. And it said that if you don't like the color, you can just add more water to it, but like, I hope I don't have to do that. But I'm gonna test the color here in a second too. The blue, or the pink, is like foamy at the top, which I thought was kind of weird. Like, I don't know if that's normal or if I'm doing something wrong, but... Okay, this is really hard to do, like holding the camera and stirring at the same time, so I'm gonna stir this for another 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of salt to each bucket, and then give that a good stir. And then it says to wet your fabric first. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this down and then kind of just wring it out so that it's just kind of like a damp wet. And then we're gonna start dyeing. Oh my god. Okay. So 1 cup. Hopefully I even have enough salt. That'll be helpful. Okay, here comes a big moment. I wet these down. I'm gonna do 1 boot at a time just in case my camera decides to not record or anything anymore. So we're doing the pink at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Try to go about to the halfway point. Kind of let it just sit in that point for a second. Okay, I'm gonna let it kind of drip out, and then I'm gonna move it over into the blue, and I'm gonna kind of just like switch back and forth between the pink and the blue to get it to really set in there. Okay, now we're gonna do the blue. Did not enough on the pink or something, but it's okay, I can just add more pink. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna let this drip, and then I'm gonna go back into the pink, and I'm gonna kind of just like switch back and forth with that until I'm like happy with the, you know, the coloring and everything. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so I think I am pretty good on the color, and I think it's kind of funny that like the Velcro straps didn't take to the color as like much as like the actual cotton fabric did. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out completely, and then you know, until the water runs clear, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like compared to the other white one. Guys, oh my god. Like, I am trying so hard not to either cry or scream right now, but I'm so freaking excited. Like, are you guys ready? Like, seriously, are you ready? I'm so excited. This turned out so well. So this was the boot before, the white boot, and this is the boot after. Completely rinsed out, clear water rinsing out of it. Guys, oh my god, I am so excited. Look how pretty that is. And it's not like completely dry yet, so the color will be a little bit lighter, but oh my god. And I love how it like kind of like went to like a purple color here. So you got like the blue, 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 and the pink way up top, and then it kind of like purples in the middle. That is so freaking perfect. It like totally matches my hat that I just painted, which I was gonna make a video on, but I didn't have my tripod anymore. But oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh my god. And I love how like it didn't take to like God, what is this called? Like the inner material there, like it didn't really take to that on the inside, or like the Velcro straps. It's so perfect. I love it. Oh my god, like look at that. Look at the difference. It is so pretty. Oh my god, I can't even handle it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other boot now, and then I'm gonna rinse this one out completely too. Let them dry completely, probably rinse them again, let them dry again. And then I'll show you guys what they look like when they're all done. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay guys, here is how the other boot turned out. It's still wet, but I just wanted to show you guys how it turned out. And I just absolutely love how it's like not really sticking to like the inside like neoprene on the inside. And it's not really sticking to like the outside rim or the Velcro. Like it turned out so perfect. I love it so much. And to be like completely honest with you guys, material cost, like these boots I think are $65, but I had custom stirrups made they still owed me a little bit of money after I paid for the custom stirrups, so I just put those towards these RES boots. So they are originally $65, but then I only had to pay like $40 for them after the money that the little bit of money they still owed me. The dye, like in total for both dyes and shipping and everything, it only cost me $10. Like, this is super cheap, super easy to do. You guys should definitely try it out. If you guys don't trust yourselves to do it, I am totally gonna do this and start listing them for sale. So if you guys are interested in that, you definitely should stick around and check that out. But I am so obsessed with these. I can't wait to try them out. I wish there wasn't 3 feet of snow on the ground right now, otherwise I'd go slap on my horse like today. But I can probably wait. So, yeah, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna let these dry and then I'll show you guys what they look like when they're dry. Okay, you guys, the boots are completely done. They are totally dry and I am so excited because look at them. They are so pretty. I can't believe how well they turned out. I am so excited. And just so you guys know, this boot company is not sponsoring this video. I bought these boots myself and whatever. And none of the products I used are sponsoring this video or anything either. But if any companies do want to sponsor me, that's fine. You can go ahead. But like I said, it only cost me about $10 for the dye, and then the boots were $40, but they are originally $65. So you guys should let me know down in the comments below what 2 colors I should do next, because I think I'm gonna buy another set of white ones, and then I'm gonna dye them and probably list them for sale. So let me know what colors you guys would like me to do next, and so I'll put them up for sale then. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you liked this video. Make sure to give this video a big like, because this is the first time I've ever dyed anything and I am so thrilled with how it turned out. We got to learn together, so that was cool. So yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below, let me know what 2 colors I should do next. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys later.